In this video, I will show you why the Fit39 golf glove has become a favorite. Unlike traditional Cabretta leather gloves that can feel stiff or lose their shape over time, the Fit39 is designed to fit like a second skin. One of the best features is the honeycomb silicone grip on the palm. This provides an incredible hold on the club even in wet or humid conditions. You do not have to worry about the club slipping during your swing, because the synthetic material maintains its tacky feel through many rounds of play. Another huge advantage is that these gloves are completely machine washable. Most leather gloves become crunchy and brittle after they get wet or sweaty, but you can simply toss the Fit39 in the wash and it comes out looking brand new. The breathability is also top tier, which makes it perfect for those hot summer days on the course. You will find that the sizing is very flexible because of the stretch fabric, so it conforms perfectly to the specific contours of your hand. It feels supportive without being restrictive. Whether you are a professional or a weekend golfer, the longevity of this glove offers amazing value for your money. Give it a try and feel the difference in your next round of golf.